So let's say that you want to improvise over a 12-bar blues in E. You may find chords like E7, A7 and B7, and you are wondering which scales you can use. So for instance, if we are in E, you are probably thinking like the minor pentatonic or the blues scale, which both are fine, but obviously there are other scales that you can use. So one of them is the mixolydian scale, and let's say the chord is E7. The E mixolydian scale is this one. The E mixolydian scale also share the same notes of the B dorian scale. That is the same also when the chord changed to A7. As you can see, I've just used the A mixolydian scale, which is also the same thing as the E dorian scale. Over a B7, you can use the B mixolydian scale or the F sharp dorian scale. You can also use the major pentatonic scale, and the cool things about dominant chords is that you can mix minor and major pentatonic scales. So let's say we are in E. You may know this shape. So you can play this shape 3 frets below and you have the major pentatonic. That is the same over A and B. You can also use double stops and triads, things like this. So basically I'm just playing chords really. So this one belongs to B7 and this one belongs to A7. So the notes here are A and D sharp, and here I have a G and C sharp. You can also use chromatism. These chromatic notes will add some flavor to your solo. You can also use scales like the whole tone scale, the minor melody scale, the altered scale and the diminished scale, but I will make a separate lesson about those scales. I hope you guys anyway enjoyed this lesson and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching.